Hey everyone, welcome back to another eBay opening. You guys know I have an eBay obsession. You guys know me. So, like my other two videos, I got some Radio Disney rare items that you don't see very often anymore because you know Radio Disney is no longer. Makes me sad. So let's just open this. Oh wait, this is the wrong package. I opened it on my last one. Duh. Kitty. I was gonna open the package that was already opened. I need coffee. So if you're watching on TikTok, can you like pay me through my videos? Give me a coffee. I'm kidding. You don't have to do that. It's totally optional. You don't need to do that if you don't need to, or if you don't want to. Whatever. Let's get her open. Come on. And I think this is another Radio Disney magnet, and I think it's Radio Disney AM15 something. Alright. So it's like stuck with some other things. Oh. Alright. Making sure there's nothing else in there, so that's a good thing. And I came in like this. Oh, okay, so I guess they're a company then. So I guess I'm gonna have to shout them out then. Give me 1 second here. Alright. So the Radio Disney magnet is AM1550. So it's similar to the other one, which I will open that one in just 1 second. So this is the company that I bought it from off of eBay. It's called Barker Animation Art Galleries and Collectibles. And it has like different pictures of like Tinkerbell and Scooby-Doo, Dr. Seuss, and a bunch more. So I will bring this up right now. Oops. So that you guys can see. Oh, they're on TikTok. Okay. Awesome. I'm gonna have to give them a follow on TikTok, so you guys know who you are. Alright, let me open this one up. Okay. You guys take that really good. And this goes on YouTube and TikTok as well. So just look for my YouTube name in the bio on TikTok, because I have a couple of YouTube channels for different things. So, and here's this one. So now I have 3 of them. That's awesome. You can never have too many Radio Disney magnets. Oh, there's the Mickey shadow. Hello. That is really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Radio Disney eBay on boxes or packaging, however you want to put it. And let me know what you guys think of these. If you want me to do more, I will be glad to. Just know I don't have a job right now, so kind of hard to buy things. So if you really want me to get stuff, you could gift me through my TikTok videos if you choose to. It's totally optional. It's not required. But it's always appreciated in the end for everyone, even if they can't, get the TikTok money out. It still helps either way. So, other than that, I will see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, and remember, Radio Disney, we're all ears.